name is Haseeb Rehman, and today I'm going to show you how to check engine oil and the screen washer. So first, this is the key. So this is the unlock button, so you press it once. There, the car is unlocked. So first you need to go to the driver side so you can open the bonnet. So here, you can see here is the fuel cap lever, and here is the bonnet lever. So you pull this one. That's the bonnet open. And here you can see that the bonnet will be something like this. So if you put your hand in, you can see in the middle there's a lever. So you pull it left and then pull the bonnet up. That's the bonnet. And here, this is the stick, so you can properly secure the bonnet. So make sure it's properly secured. So now I'll show you how to check the engine oil. So here you can see this is the engine. So make sure that the engine is cool so you can check the engine oil. So here, this is the dipstick at the corner. So you pull it up, and here you can see this is the stick. This is the tissue. I'm going to clean it. There. So this is the minimum and this is the maximum. So now I'm going to put it in, if there's enough or not to check. So go in. 1 second. Pull it out. You can. So here's the dipstick. You can see that the oil is in between minimum and maximum. So that means the oil is fine. If it's in minimum, that means you need to fill it. And if it's too dirty, so you need to get your car serviced. So this is the oil. Fine. So the oil. I'll show you the brake oil. So the brake oil is near the engine at the back. So this is maximum, and over here it says minimum. So now the brake oil is maximum. So that means it's fine. So but if you have the brake oil at minimum, so it could be dangerous for you. So now I'll show you how to check the screen washer. So here you can see this is the yellow cap. So if you pull the wiper lever from inside, if the water is not coming enough, so you need to fill it. And if it's coming enough, so it's fine. So now I'll show you how to check the inverter coolant. So here you can see is a hybrid, for Toyota hybrid battery, but in normal cars you have a normal battery. So here you can see that here is the inverter coolant. So it even says a mark of maximum and minimum. So if the engine coolant is in minimum, so it's not good for your battery. I'll show you how to check the engine coolant. So here you can see near the battery that there is a black cap. So here you can see the engine coolant. So if it's at the top, at the maximum, that means there is enough engine coolant. But if you can't see it's at the bottom, so that means it's not enough. So you need to fill it. Now you close the bonnet securely. So first you pull the stick and then put it here, like where it's supposed to be. And then securely, make sure you don't put your hand. So just close it, and that's the bonnet off. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.